This is Tsuruha, which is a large Japanese drugstore chain. And we're here looking for a COVID test and orange Kit Kats. Oh, I thought I found snacks. That's for dogs and cats. Okay. Maybe I really should learn to read Japanese. I think it's too late for me. I think I'm too old. It's worth trying though. Ah, candy. Okay, just like the last store, the Kit Kats are strawberry, and then of course a matcha green tea. Hi, do you have orange Kit Kats?
Hi.
Orange Kit Kat? These right here? This one right here. Is there a smaller package that is orange flavored, like citrus?
Smaller package.
Yeah, you can only buy them in Japan. So is this the only Kit Kats that you have? Are these anywhere else in the store or just here? Just here. Okay, very good. Arigato. Oh, there's chocolate also. Let's see. I'm not sure how that strawberry differs from this strawberry. Okay, so anyway, I'm still looking for the orange, the elusive orange Kit Kat that Reverend Amagon from Spill the Geek Tea would like to see me find. So this is just an average drugstore chain in Japan. Nothing fancy. Big and clean, friendly staff, as you can see. Frozen food section. But the tea is a little bit cheaper here than the grocery store that we were just at. Okay, if you're enjoying these videos of an American in Japan, not as a tourist, but just simply visiting family and the normal stuff as you experience day-to-day life here. Just the normal stuff. Nothing glamorous, no crazy stuff. Just normal things. Please like and subscribe, because it's always nice to get a new subscriber. And until next time, peace out from Akita, Japan.